Hi, welcome to AtlasAiDev YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to install augmented reality plugin by AtlasAiDev. So first of all, uh, go to the add new plugin and search here AR VR try on with this keyword. Then you will see here augmented reality and 3D model viewer for WordPress WooCommerce like this by Azizul Hassan, which is founder of Atlas AI. So I already activated and installed the plugin. So after installing the plugin, you will see a menu here, AR try on. Click on here and you don't have to do anything but only one thing, just save the settings as it is. One thing more, if your site has uh, already installed the woocommerce, then you will see this option, and by default the option will be woocommerce before single product summary. That means here, but I want to display the button of augmented reality here. That's why I have changed to after add to cart form. Everything is same, nothing else you have to change. All of the setups are done, and now I saved, and I already uploaded a GLB file to this product. I will show you how to upload this GLB file. But before that, how it will look like, let's visit this. Click on this button, view in 3D model. So when you upload the 3D model, then it will look like this. You can see this 3D model. And if your device supports augmented reality, I mean desktop Chrome version. So I have installed an extension, Chrome extension, so that it supports augmented reality, which I will show you which one I have installed to support augmented reality uh, at last of this video. If your device supports augmented reality, then you will see a button like this. Click on here, you will see that it will show up like this. Then you will see a menu WebXR related to WebXR, and primarily you will not see this one. I mean, this button, but if you don't see, then you have to inspect. Then click on WebXR button, WebXR menu, and here from devices you have to select Quest 3. Let me show you how it will not be shown if it is not Quest 3. See, the WebXR augmented reality button is disappeared. Now if I inspect, click on WebXR and click on Quest, reload the player page, and it will be there. See, this is how. So you can, this is not mandatory to work with your site. This is for testing purpose. How your um, how your product will be displayed to real world, which I already uploaded another video uh, from mobile phone how it will look like. You can see, I'll give the video link in the description. So this is the Chrome extension is immersive web emulator. I'll give the link in the description below. You can install it. If your if your browser is Chrome, but if your browser is Mozilla Firefox, then you can install this one, WebXR API emulator. And how it will look like here, you have to do also another thing. uh, if you don't see, if you sorry, if you don't see the augmented reality button, then you have to do, click on here. uh, Before that it will be none by default setup, but see, the augmented reality button is not there. So if you click on Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus AR, click on submenu, this menu, this drop down option, then it will shown up here. See, and here, sorry, yes, you can play it. This will the emulator of your mobile phone. Also from here, this is the emulator of your mobile phone, nothing else. This is not mandatory to install this plugin. Um, Now let's see how to upload the GLB file, a 3D model file here. Um, if click on edit this product, and after installing our AR try on plugin, you will see a meta box here like this. Open it and you will upload the GLB file. Also, our plugin supports GLTF file. I'll show I'll, I'll show you how GLB file supports here. So you will upload, click on here. I already uploaded this one. Now I will upload a GLB file. This is a GLTF file and it is a GLB file. This is not mandatory, but you can upload it. This is a poster. That means if your JLB file is too happy, it's to load, then you can upload a poster, uh, which I already uploaded. Yes, this one I will keep it. I will not change. And then you will give an alt text for your image. Save. Save is done. Successfully save is data saved. Now I will show it from here. See, the model is changed, and also you can see here. So let's see from here, this browser from Firefox browser. Yes. So this is not mandatory, but if you try, then you can do it. One thing more, that this plugin supports WooCommerce as well as WordPress. If your site don't install uh, the WooCommerce, then it will be support by default post. So try let's uninstall the WooCommerce. Then I'll show you how this plugin works with only WordPress. So when you try to click on this, then you'll see that pop-up will come up here, that multiple post type is only available in the pro version. We don't we are working for pro version. It will become soon. So you have to uncheck the product. Then I select the post, and see, when I uninstall the WooCommerce, it disappear the drop down option uh, to display where to show that this player button, uh, augmented reality button. Then I save, and now this URL will not work. And let's so as I mentioned here, that as I set up here, that now it will support only post, nothing else. So I will go to the post. Let's see what is the problem now. The GLB file or 3D model is not uploaded here, that's why it is not showing up the button. So I'll edit the post and I'll upload the product. So here you can see an option where you can our plugin supports wall type GLB model or floor type GLB model. So you have to choose which type of product you now. So I select here floor. I'll upload a floor type model, and I'll select this one. Upload this one. I'll upload this image, preloader image, title. I'll not change, then done. Okay, successfully saved. Now now you can see the uh, 3D model viewer button is there. Click on it, preview. If you want to display it from your mobile phone or augmented reality, you can click on here. So thank you so much for visiting this video. If you have any question regarding our augmented reality plugin, please feel free to ask, or you can contact with us from here. Sorry, you can contact from our website here, or also you can see a menu submenu from here. Yeah, click on it, and it will come up a separate window, and here you can request a feature customization, uh, bug issue, anything you can report us, and we will try to fix this issue as soon as possible. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.